Video coverage of IT Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.
Hi, Rachel Ramsey here, IT Expo in Miami. I'm here with Paul Main, the Director of Business Consulting Services at Ciber. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about Ciber and what you do.
Well, Ciber is basically one of the mid-tier consulting companies that grew up out of a lot of driven customer activities. So we do a lot of solutions around cloud. We're looking at a lot of things around ERP, a lot of transformation, a lot of customers who have legacy applications that want to move into more modern technology. And we focus across multiple industries: healthcare, automotive, financial, federal space. And we do a lot of things that really help customers find the right solutions for their business problems.
Excellent. So let's talk about your typical customer, who you kind of target, and what are some of the challenges that you help them overcome?
Well, a lot of our customers come to us with a variety of problems. They either have a strategic initiative that they're trying to get started and they need some expertise for that. They may have a challenge around figuring out their budgets, so we'll help them figure out the best way to do it. At Ciber, what we try to do is have flexible methodologies. We don't drive it one way, our way, or no other way. We create solutions with our customers for our customers. We also have a number of situations where customers come to us and look for managed services. So they're really saying, hey, I don't do this very well. Could you put together a team that does it better than we can? And we'll create the business case for them and then help with that transformation.
Okay. So what are some reasons that customers would turn to Ciber as opposed to other companies in the industry? What are some things that set you apart?
I love that question. A lot of us in Ciber have come from very different backgrounds. Most of us came from the big six, and we've got a lot of very wide experiences. Ciber, one, brings in a lot of folks with a lot of very senior expertise. So most of our consultants, most of our professionals have been in the industry more than 10 plus years. We also bring a lot of industry specific expertise. So we really have the folks that know the right solutions. We don't build it on the fly, we don't build it in front of the customers. We know what we're doing and we provide proven solutions. And I think the third aspect is we really come across with the right cost perspective. In today's market, with a lot of challenges around budgets and stuff, we work with our customers to create the right financial engineering for their solutions.
Great. And you're speaking here this week at IT Expo talking about IT priorities. So can you give us a little bit of those talking points? And
Okay. I spend a lot of time with customers at different levels within the organizations. And one of the things that I was asked to come along and talk about here was just some of the things that I've seen. A lot of customers are very concerned with information security. Credit card fraud is such a big issue.
Yep.
There's a big change required in the whole credit card industry and the way we make cards. So people are very concerned about information security. We also have a lot of folks looking at moving to the cloud. So they're saying, hey, how do I get to the cloud? What's the right way? Is it too expensive? How do I know I'm really buying a cloud solution versus just something that's hosted? And is my information going to be secure? And then another area is mobility. We have a very big offshore team that builds a lot of solutions for us around ERP space, do a lot of legacy transformation, but also are doing a lot of movement to the cloud and to the mobility. So, we have customers who come in and say, hey, if you don't have an app, I'm not doing business with you.
Yeah.
And they're like, Paul, could you guys figure out how we get to some mobile app? So we try to keep ourselves with the leading edge, but not the bleeding edge in technology for our solutions.
Got it.
And that's the difference between us and many of our customers or
Excellent.
competitors.
Well, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. We look forward to seeing you at the rest of the show. And
All right, thank you.
Thank
I look
you.
forward to it.
Video coverage of IT Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.